Hey guys, it's the new year and I want to invite you to put down the soda and the Funyuns and come right back for my barbecued salmon with pickled onions. Woo! Keep it paleo. Alright, we're going to start it off with some paleo grind. Lemon pepper love. If you don't have this yet, you need to add it to your culinary quiver, all right? Order some up, thepaleogrind.com. I've got a fillet of salmon here. I prefer to have them with the skin on, but this is all I could find. Skin is off. I'm gonna take and season the backside like that, and then I'll just use this parchment paper, flip that over, and season the top side. Let me actually do this. I'll just cut this away, and then I'm going to transfer this to my sheet pan, just like that. And then I've got some dill here. We're going to use this in our sauce. We're going to have a remoulade, and then we're also going to use it for a garnish. So I'm going to take just a couple sprigs while we roast this. See if we can get some of this to kind of roast into the surface. Should give us a nice look, and then obviously some flavor. Okay, and then from there a quick drizzle of olive oil. I'm going to try to anchor that dill down with the olive oil. I'm going to put it on convection so the fan might kind of blow that away, but my thought is that that olive oil is going to kind of act like a little rubber cement, right? So from here, 350 convection, maybe 400 if you don't have convection, and we'll take a look when it's done. All right, now while our salmon is cooking, we're gonna put together pickled onion, and then we're gonna make a quick mayo, we call it remoulade. It's like a French mayo-based sauce. So let's get after it. Here we go, red onion. All right, then I'm just gonna go here. There we go. How about that? We'll go half an onion. We'll save that into here. Some white vinegar. And then for a habanero. Oh, I'm crying here. You see this? Wild. Get the habanero in there. Pinch of salt. And that'll help break down the onions as well. Woo! Got some heat for sure. All right, guys, next up is our Massie mayo. It's gonna be the base for the remoulade. I recommend having some of this in your fridge at all times. I use a squeeze bottle. It's good for making chicken salad, tuna salad, stuff like that. But here we go. We're gonna go 1 whole egg and then 1 yolk. All right, then a little bit of lemon. There. Make sure you don't get any seeds in there. If you do, the blade's gonna hit them and they don't really break down, they make a mess. Let's put a little bit of garlic in there. Actually, that's quite a bit of garlic, but that's all right. I like garlic. On the top, we'll slowly drizzle some olive oil. Each egg will take about a cup of oil, so go for somewhere around 2 cups. Okay. You can see that. Nice and thick. This is all room temp, so as it cools, it's going to get even thicker. The reason I tell you that is I'm going to use a little more lemon. You could even use a little water at this point to kind of thin it out. But as far as how much oil the yolks will take, this is about the right amount right here. Give it a pinch of salt. And then back on. All right, so we're going to call that good. Boom. And then for this amount of salmon, I'm going to use only about half of this. And then I'll just container up the rest and keep it in the fridge. All right, we're gonna dice up a little red onion here. This will be part of the remoulade. Maybe a quarter of a red onion, we would say. And let's get some dill. And then I'll run the knife through there. Okay, now we'll bring in our mayo. Let's go here. Dill. And then some capers. All right, just a little jar of capers. I drained them off, and we'll use maybe half a jar, and this is 4 ounces, so 2 ounces capers. I think the salmon's about done. I'm gonna go check on that. We'll be right back. Boom, here we go, guys. It was about 15 minutes. It was right where we wanted it. I like it at about 120, 125, and a temp at 123, right in the thickest part. Now, as far as plating or serving, what I would do is make this for like a family dinner and then serve it this way. You can also, you know, cut it afterwards and portion it out for meals for the week. But let's do that. I'm gonna put a cup right here. There we have it, guys, my roasted salmon with pickled onions. Get out there, give this one a go, and at all times, I'm here reminding you to keep it paleo.